So no, the song is looking really nice, and it's very innovative that they made these three sets. One is obviously because the song, music, so speakers, the transistors वगैरह जो कि हमने अरसा हो गया ये all these systems we've not seen, you know, there's double deck वाले transistors, boom box, etc. Pirik, because his film is to do with the press and news and stuff like that. They're these two journalists who don't know their job well, who believe in trying to expose क्या है
अदरक गणेश
and क्या expose scams वगैरह.
अदरक दूध पीता है हमारा और हमारी हाँ बस और बता
पिल्ले देती है this kind of news we do.
Yeah, they do that kind of. That's what you do. The same thing. That kind of stuff. So they're playing the today's journalist who is like totally evolved and stuff like that. So we have that Akbar ka setting there. And then in the film, because they're Kadkas, they have a Jugadu car, which is a very old some Dukkar Fiat it is, I think. So वो है यहाँ पर set के ऊपर. So it's a very well thought of set for this song. I am promoting the film. My brother-in-law's producing it. It's like a home production. I like the script. We're doing the film. Pulkit got us the script, and he's got a nice sense of these things. And it's a good, entertaining, commercial, political satire kind of a humorous film. I've seen the film. I think both these guys have done a superb job. He has done one scene where he's drunk, and he's done a fabulous scene. It's just a very एक normal casually उसने वो scene कर लिया और बहुत ही drunken scenes first film it becomes very difficult because you're all the time overacting, you're conscious, you make faces etc. He's done really well. I think the practice बहुत मिली होगी तुमको है ना छोड़ दी तुमने छोड़ दी method acting इन्होंने बहुत की है तो इन्होंने पूरा इम्बाइब कर लिया था एक्सप्रेशन वगैरह खुद के जब ये पीते थे अभी शायद उन्होंने छोड़ दिए सीरियस हो गए इन्होंने माँ के सर के ऊपर कसम खाई कि मैं नहीं पीऊँगा एटलीस्ट फॉर सम टाइम तो अब ये थोड़े से ये इनकी आपने इनकी फुकरे तो देखी ये बहुत ही टैलेंट है सुलझे में ये इनमें एक सलमान खान और आमिर खान का कॉम्बिनेशन है और ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत आगे जाएंगे मुझे ये मेरे कुछ 8-10 साल पहले की फिल्मों की याद दिलाते हैं इनमें एक वनरेबिलिटी है इनमें ठहराव है इनमें एक डेडिकेशन है ये काफ़ी सुलझे में इम्पेशेंट नहीं है तो ये सब है इनमें एक यंग चार्म है लड़कियां ऑलरेडी इन पे फिदा होना शुरू हो गई हैं मर रही हैं इनके ऊपर तो ये एक वो स्टार की एक क्वालिटी when you attract people without even your first release and people want to talk to you, people want to hang out with you, you hold a conversation. It is the first signs of that you perhaps might be welcome into the industry and become a star. That depends on from here how this film does. Music itna, I think that Pulkit needs 2 songs. Right now he's got super, everybody likes his work, but he needs 2 big hit songs. I think I hope you're lucky enough to get those 2 songs in this film.
The songs are working well.
Songs are working really well. So music is good, music has been appreciated. The boys are really good, very hardworking, dedicated. They look really good in the film, their bodies, and they perform really well, especially Bilal, because he's already done TV, he's done film and stuff like that. To be with him, या तो आप नर्वस हो जाते हो या तो फिर you try and do so much that you try to compete. So no, both of them do their own thing. They've rehearsed quite a bit for it, and I think the film's looking really superb. I'm happy for them, and I just hope that you guys go and watch the film, and it's a good package.